How to get your ex back. After a breakup, you can discover that you still have feelings for your ex and want to get back together. It can be intimidating to ask your ex to reconcile, but if you take your time and remember the mistakes of the past, there's a chance they'll agree. 1. Recognize the split. What actions did each of you take to cause the breakup? The majority of relationship issues develop gradually over time rather than suddenly. There is a good chance that the issue wasn't unilateral and that warning flags were present. Before you try to win your ex back, take some time to reflect on your life. Make sure you are not squandering your time or effort on something pointless. 2. Remember who broke things off. Possibly you? If so, did you do it after giving it some thought, or did you act out of rage that you later regretted? Was it your ex, and if so, what reasons did they give? Was it a shared choice? 3. Analyze your feelings. It might be simple to misunderstand your sentiments during the anguish and uncertainty of a breakup, seeing feelings of hurt and loneliness as proof that you require your ex's return. In actuality, almost everybody who goes through a breakup initially feels regret for the lost connection, along with feelings of worry, guilt, melancholy, and loneliness. 4. For the first month following the breakup, avoid communication. If they want to talk, they will call you. Nothing you say or wear will make a difference if they don't. Ignoring your ex might sometimes give them the impression that you are happy without them and are moving on, which is the exact opposite of what they desire. 5. Concentrate on you. Spend time with your pals. Put all of your energy into your career and extracurricular interests. You don't want to come across as desperate or as though you are just waiting for your ex to get in touch. 6. During this time, refrain from pursuing your ex. That entails refraining from phoning, texting, or inquiring about how the person is doing. The most important thing is to avoid asking your ex why they broke up with you or if they are dating anyone. This sounds quite frantic. 7. Check to see if they are still enthusiastic. You should ascertain whether your ex is still interested in you before attempting to win him or her back. The first and most important step is to find out if your ex still values you. 8. Improve your sense of self. If you deal with neediness, your sense of self-worth may be a little low. You may be hoping your ex will help you feel better about yourself, but the truth is that only you have the power to accomplish that. You shouldn't rely on other people to make you happy. It causes them to feel guilty, responsible, and ultimately, resentful of you. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.